Hi, this is Devika Shallivan playing a birdie from a dog's sly bird.
Do not speak to me about his legacy, not when you have helped him along the way. That's right. I know you have exchanged hands with Moray.
I knew you would bring up the old past. That's why I'm here, to fix past mistakes. As should you. I know you were not always the cleanest officer in your department. We've all exchanged hands with the popular playboy, some more than others. You, of all people, should know that the past never stays dead.
And what's this meant to be? Is it a diary? A scrapbook, maybe? I don't need old usernames. That will do nothing.
Quick to judge, aren't you, Blue? You got another solid source then?
All right. Sit back down.
There's a little shot of everything since the beginning names, places, associates, and everyone he has put 6 feet under. This is my amends for the names I gave up all those years ago. Bad consequences for good intentions. Your amends, Blue, as most officers came too late. Thank you for watching.